Shalom. Parashat kedoshim, this week's parashat, teaches us to become holy, to be holy like Hashem is holy. One of the commands that enable us to reach this level of holiness is not to curse a deaf person. Even though we may think that a deaf person can't hear and therefore it doesn't matter if I curse him, it does matter. The Torah wants us to be sensitive about details that seem to us or could seem to us irrelevant. Let's take one more example, very famous example. Every Shabbat we cover the chalot. The custom is to cover the chalot while we do kiddush. And while we sanctify the Shabbat over the wine and do kiddush, the chalot are covered. And the reason is so that the chalot, the bread, will not be embarrassed, which seems very, very funny. I mean, come on, as if the bread has feelings that it needs to be covered. But because the Torah wants us to be holy, which is a level above what we are supposed to become even, just being a good person or being righteous, to become holy, taking it one step forward, even thinking about details like this. If we can be sensitive even for the bread's feeling, which obviously doesn't really have feelings like us, then it could lead us eventually to be sensitive about details that really matter. Details, ben adam lachavero, many commands and mitzvot that create a better society of people that, as I said, are sensitive to the small details. Shabbat Shalom.